Miss Ashley here with another simple craft for you. And the craft that we're going to do today is inspired by the book that I just read you called Some Birds. So in that book, the illustrations were really beautiful and I was inspired to do a bird craft. So what you're going to need to make this bird craft is some construction paper. I happen to be using cardstock. It's a little bit thicker, but if you don't have that, that's okay. I have some googly eyes this time that I got from the dollar store. You need your glue stick, your scissors, and a stapler, and a marker or a pen of some kind. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is you're going to need to draw a body. I have this little piece of paper here, and I'm going to just draw a bird body. Doesn't have to be perfect. We're going for simple. Again, you need to just draw a beak as well. So something that looks like that. Simple. Do you want to make a craft too? And then you need to cut it out. So let's just cut this out here. Okay. There we go. And then our little beaky. Snip, snip. Okay, let's just get rid of this. Okay, so this is our bird shape. And we're going to turn it this way. So a little head and a little body. So what we're going to do with this is we are going to take our largest piece of cardstock and we're going to fold it in half. So we're going to fold it in half this way. Like that. And then we're going to take our little birdie body and we are going to place it right like this. So just line it up with the fold, line it up like that, and then just trace it on. So we're going to trace our little birdie body like that. Okay, and then we're just going to cut it out. So it looks like that, and we're just going to cut it out. Okay. Let's get our little. Okay. Fix them up a little bit. There we go. Okay, get rid of that. So there we go. There's our little bird body. He should be able to stand up like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually take this and we're going to fold it a little bit. Just so we can make an incision. There we go. Now we have this little incision. Because this is where the wings are going to go. So make a little incision right there. And then on the back, do the same thing. Give it a little fold. And then make a little incision right there. So 2 incisions. One in the middle and one on the back. Okay. So get rid of your little body. It's messy. So now we need to make the wings. So take about a piece like this, a bigger piece, and then a different color, smaller piece. These are the main wings, and these are the back wings. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold it like an accordion. So one piece over, and then back, so like a little accordion, This is gonna give us some nice wingy texture, maybe. And just fold it. You can make it as big as you want. Should be good. I'll just give this a little cut. Okay. And then we're going to need to place it through the insert, which can be a bit tricky if you make it too thick. All right, there we go. Through the insert. Like that, and then we're just going to, oh, I think mine's a bit too thick. See, if it's too thick, it won't fit. So let's give it a little bit of a trim. Technical difficulties. All right, let's give this a go again. Let's see, let's fit it through. There we go. Then just fan your wings out. There we go. Once I've fixed it, there we go, and it fits. Just put it through the flap like that. So I'm now going to take my glue stick and I'm going to glue his head. A little bit more support. So just open it up, a little bit of glue in there. And then just press it together. There we go. And now you're going to take your other piece, the back wing. And again, the same thing, just accordion style roll it. I think that should be good. And then just give it a snip. And then same thing, just put it through the hole. Try to fit it through the hole. And bend it. And then fan it out. He's got side wings and he's got back wings. So what he needs now is he needs a beak. So let's make a beak. So take that little piece that you've cut out for your beak and take this construction paper and then fold it in half. And then just trace it on. Then just give it a snip. And the two pieces should be connected like that, a little flat. Then you're going to attach it to your bird. Let's get our glue stick out and let's glue this beak down. Let's glue our little beaky. Okay. And now let's give him a beak. There you go. A little beaky. Just like that. Like a bird. So I have this little decorative piece of cardstock and I'm going to give him a bit of a decorative belly. So I'm just going to draw a little swoop like that. I'm just going to give it a trim. Like that. Just going to stick it on. Add some extra glue to this. It's not quite sticking. There we go. A little bird like that. And now what I think the bird needs is some eyes. So I have these ones that I got from the dollar store. They're kind of cool. They have like little eye, very like cartoon. So I'm gonna just stick these on. Now I didn't have enough to do 2 big ones, but you should probably put one on both sides. Let me stick my little eye on here. Ah, you're not sticking. I think it's just it's so cold in here, it's not quite sticking as well as I would hope. There we go, give it a press. There you go, now you're on. Do it to the other side. Get it nice and sticky. Like that. There you go. And there you have a little bird. It's super simple. Doesn't take very much. You know, it just takes some construction paper and a glue stick, a pair of scissors, some googly eyes. You could always just like draw the eyes on. You don't have to have googly eyes. You could get a lot fancier with your feathers. You could add actual feathers to it, but this is just like a very basic way to make a bird with not a lot of materials on hand. So I hope you like this. It's pretty cute and it rocks. It rocks. So anyway, guys, I will see you next week for another story and a inspired craft. So I hope you enjoy making this one. And until I see you guys next time, remember to stay safe and wash your hands and like and subscribe to the Miss Ashley Storytime YouTube channel for more simple crafts and fun stories. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.